And the purpose of this new template is to help you create 3D NFT card animation inspired by Pokemon cards in acrylic display case, easier and faster. Let's see what you can do with my new template practically. 3D model which I've created for this template is a bit more advanced than in the previous videos, because here we have 3 acrylic elements and not only 1 or 2 trading cards inside a display case, but also a label on the top which includes information about the card. Different design for the front and different for the back side. So that's why I included extra bonus mockups for this template, allowing you to easily modify the textures and text on the product. 25 different trading cards designs, not only for Photoshop but also for Affinity Photo. If you already have your own card design, you can just replace the images in this template, customize the colors and render the final animation. However, as always, there are much more you can get in the 3D world, where everything is possible. By the way, to get round corners of the cards, remember to create them in your card designs and export as PNG files. So once you add them in Blender, the corners will be beautifully round. I haven't done it, so that's why the corners are sharp. This is just a detail, but actually small things make a difference. So I would suggest making the corners round, as in the original Pokemon cards. But there are a few more details to consider. For example, look at this simple shadow below the display case. It adds a unique perspective. However, once you remove it, the animation can be a little bit more minimalistic. The easiest way to remove the shadow is to just deactivate it in the Object Data Properties of the top point light. Or you can just move the Studio Cube background a bit lower, so the shadow will not be visible. The lights behind the 3D model make the background a bit smoother, creating a soft gradient effect. Of course you can remove it, or even add more lights if you like. Personally, I like playing with colors, achieving catchy mixtures. To create this acrylic display case, I connected 3 elements which are completely editable. For example, the bottom part don't need to be exactly transparent. You can make this acrylic glass colorful or change the material to something totally different. Wood, metal, cosmic fabrics, or any other material. The choice is yours. The only element which should be transparent is the top case, where the cards are located. Every color has own unique vibe, so even just customizing only that part of the template, you can make it really special. If you like to make this card animation even more advanced, I would recommend experimenting with extra effects in DaVinci Resolve, where you can add some really great effects, for example dust particles. But remember to make this video in a way that allows to loop it, so the beginning and ending should have the same image, a connector of the loop. If you'd like to order this template, feel free to contact me. I can also help you customize it based on your expectations. This template is available in blend format, so you can use it in Blender, creating your own 3D NFT collectible card animation. Easy and fast, because everything is ready. See you in the next video. Enjoy!